Yo, what up, guys? I'm here with another video of vlogging. So, I'm here at the park train in Michigan. My brother over there is playing, and I'm at the park train right now.
I can't get off.
I just decided to make a video at the park train with my mom got me here so I could just play around with my brother. Oh my god, that sound wrong. So if any of you are here in St. Louis, are at St. Louis or other Ohio or some places, and you haven't came here before, this is the park train. You can get on top of the roof, and this is easy. So, yeah. Shout out to my friend Kaylee, Samantha, and Wyatt. They're really awesome friends. Sam has a Musical.ly account, so you should go look it up. And that's just it for the video. I know this is a really dumb video, but yeah. Look at that tree. This is probably the ending, but it's an amazing tree. I'm not gonna use my outro, but yeah. Bye.